If you guys saw my last video, you'll know that we tested out the HP Pavilion desktop PC. Today, I'm going to be upgrading that PC to make it an even more budget gaming PC beast. The first upgrade I made to this PC was swapping out the two 4GB sticks of RAM to two 8GB sticks of RAM. This extra RAM will help in more demanding games. The final upgrade that I made to this PC was slapping in a dedicated GPU. The GPU that I went with was the RX 6400, partially for convenience, but also for the price. This bad boy cost me only $110 at Micro Center, and even with the PCIe 3.0 limitations, it is more than capable to being a very solid entry-level card. Now we're going to compare how this PC stacks up to the last one with some benchmarks.
You fought well.
You want to play? Let's
Enemy
play.
down.
30 seconds left. Last player standing. One enemy remaining.
Hopefully you guys can use this video as motivation to upgrade your PC instead of just getting a brand new one, because any office PC can really be turned into a pretty good gaming PC with the right components. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and comment down below what you would like to see next. I'm going to start posting a lot more now that school is over, and I hope you guys have a nice one. Peace.